Hey everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Today is drive day. Naka-drive na ako yesterday and today okay lang naman mag-drive kasi hindi man ka nagbusi mister sa airport. Kahapon na pag-drive ako. Darating today si Saki. Susunduin ko siya sa airport. Iba yung route ang dinadaanan ko kay dinrap ko muna yung si Minya sa school ni Kyrie kasi siya maghatid. Normally siya gata man magsundo ni Kyrie. Pero siya gata may trabaho. May pinuntahan siya. So, si Minya ang nagsundo kay Kyrie. Dinrap ko siya sa school ni Kyrie. Tapos diretso na ako magkuha kay sa airport na magsundo. Kahapon nag-drive ako pero dito lang naman ako sa Lapu-Lapu, hindi pagpunta sa SM si April mag-drive. Wala naman mag-drive kasi hindi man siya mabigat, no? Hindi ka man magbuhat. Tapos slowly but surely nababalik ko na yung mga routine ko. So dito ako sa malaki na road dumaan kay baka ma-traffic dun sa traffic sa Tamiya ba. So dito ako sa back road sa may Saak dadaan papuntang airport. Ang taba-taba ko na ba, grabe, macho. Alam nyo ba kung bakit ako tumaba? Tingin lang kayo kay kasi no, pagpunta namin sa doktor nung last time, binigyan niya ako ng vitamins na pang buntis, para kang mabuntis tapos makataba din. So ganun, binigyan niya ako ng ganyang all-in one na vitamin. So palagi akong nagugutom. Pag may vitamins ka talaga, gutom ka lagi kaya yung tiyan mo parang putputin ba. So kakain ka talaga. So minsan, tapos bawal din ako magutom ba kay syempre hindi naman bago ako operahan mga 6 weeks na opera ko. So bawal din magutom kay syempre masakit yung ulo pag magutom. Siguro mga 15 more minutes nasa airport na tayo. Ito yung daanan, very malawak. Tapos dyan sa gilid, airport na yan. Dyan sa may fence na yan, na yan siya. Airport na yan. Grabe talaga yung Lapu-Lapu, Tamiya. Sobrang naka-traffic noon. Nung bago pa lang kami nakatira, wala pa may mga building, no? Para pang kalibunan ba. Ang dami pang parang gubat yan sa gilid. Ngayon, puro na mga building, mga tindahan. Noon, lang talaga yan. Dami pang sagbot. Kasagbutan pa sa Tamiya. Ngayon, dami na. Traffic. Traffic man dito. Ay, baka ma-traffic ako papunta kay Saki. Ayaw kong malate. Kasi last time na late ako. Tapos wala nang masyadong tao. Siya na lang natira. Kawawa. Traffic ko. So may kwento pala ako sa inyo, traffic man. Noon, last time, matagal na yun, I think 2 years ago. Sinundo ko si Saki kasi normally ako man talang mag-una dito. Sinundo ko si Saki. Sus, kaya nakalimutan ko ba? Akala ko yung departure niya is kanang 1 hour later. Sus, maaga pala, 1 hour earlier. So pumunta ako doon, naawa tayo sa akin kasi wala nang tao, siya na lang mag-isa. Sabi ko, hala, bakit walang tao? Baka na delay or na cancel yung flight. So siya na lang pala, naawa talaga ako. Tapos nagalit si Saki kay saan ba daw ako baba. Nag-alala siya sa akin kung ano ba daw nangyari sa akin, bakit hindi ako nakasundo sa kanya, ganyan. Dami na daw na sa isip niya, gulong-gulo daw siya kay bakit daw hindi ako nakasundo kasi normally on time ako. So that time very late, mga siguro almost 1.5 hour akong late. Talagang tao doon sa arrival. So grabe, na ano, pero hindi naman siya galit no, na ano siya, nag-alala, na naambot, mixed emotion siya ba, nag-alala siya para sa akin, bakit daw ang tagal ko. So yun, so wala ng traffic lights. Dito na tayo sa Mactan Airport, pero wala pa siguro na. Hindi ko alam kung nitugpan na ba yung, ito na ko, on time talaga ako lumating, wala pa rin sa akin, buti na lang. Ay, ang tagal na yung sa akin, grabe na, antay ako dito, ano na, 2 oras. Alas 3 akong pumunta dito, tapos ngayon ano na, 5. Nandito nakita ko na si Saki. Nakita ko na siya. Diyos ko. Para kung nahihilo din ba kay nauhaw ako, tapos baka magkuha ako ng tubig sa sakyan. Si Saki. Si Saki. Pumpkin! Dito na si Saki.
Back in the Philippines.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm a bit tired now.
After a
I
long
wait
and
2
tiring
hours.
journey.
I don't know where's the car.
Well, don't ask me.
I think I know that somewhere there.
You always
In the
the
tree.
same.
How's my darling?
Tired.
You're happy to see me?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, smile. Napagod ako, parang nahilo ako ba na kasi ano, kantay alat 2 oras, ang daming tao pa. Bit tired.
Tired?
Pagdating ko, nagano ako, ganda ako nagluto ba? Kasi natagalan si Saki doon, akala ko 4, nandito na kami sa bahay. Karating kami sa bahay 6 p.m. Hindi ko kasi niluto, kaya na kayo lalamig ba? Magluto na ako ng shrimp na. Shrimp! Yung Saki, pina-snack na siya ng mango fruit. Sarapan siya. At may shrimp at sabaw yan. Pumpkin! Welcome home! You like my lasagna?
Cheers. Yeah, I love it.
Kai, you like my lumpia? Kai, paborito ni mong lumpia, Kai? Kai, I think you're... Hindi na siya makasalita sa... Lumpia is your favorite? No.
It's like I'm dining in my favorite Italian restaurant.
Yeah. Kyrie's favorite day. My God. You know, Kyrie, when I'm cooking, he said,
Yeah.
"Oh, mommy, are you cooking?" Yes, because I like your cooking, but because he said I'm a chef now.
But then he also wants to assist.
Yeah, he always like to assist, and it's messy all the time.
Well,
no?
but anyway, he will gradually learn how to cook.
Yesterday, he helped me to make mango grahams, mango float. But
Maybe
yeah, it's always
he's
messy.
already a better cook than me.
You're better cook, Kai? Now it's time to dessert.
Now dinner. Oh yeah.
Mango float with mango ice cream and some manga.
I already tried it. Very nice.
With mango ice cream, good combination.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't try the ice cream. Not too fond of ice cream.
Oh,
Although mango ice cream is very nice.
yeah.
That's true.
So we'll try a bit.
Mm.
I like mango ice cream.
Mm.
I drink mango also. No?
Every now and then we buy the mango float.
Mm.
They call it like that, right? Mango float.
Mango float where?
And then
We didn't buy mango float, mango sago.
yeah, I mean just like they put it in a cup,
Yeah.
right? A plastic cup.
Mm.
Mango sago. Which is very nice. Very nice. Because it's a lot of mango pulp, mango pulp, combined with some ice cream.
Suot.
Masasabi.
Yummy man. And real mango. Natira to ni sakit kanina.
So now it's time to relax for me after a long and tiresome journey.
You want to sleep now?
I had some delays
Oh,
along
where?
the way. The plane in Amsterdam, it took off with, I think, with an hour delay.
Maybe that's
And
why you were late.
in Dubai, we were also a bit late. Like the plane was taxiing to the runway, but it seemed there was no end to the taxiing. I think it took.
Maybe that's why you were late also.
Yeah, I was maybe 30 minutes late. And then I also had to wait for a long time for the baggage to arrive.
Yeah.
I think my suitcase was one of the last
Oh,
that was being put on the belt. Yeah.
maybe you were the last one to check in there in Amsterdam.
No, I certainly was not the last one to check in. The check-in procedure in Amsterdam at Schiphol Airport is very smooth. If you fly with Emirates, you hardly have to wait. I think there were just maybe 5 or 6 people in front of me, and the line was moving quickly. So they really handled that very well. But then again, I pre-checked. I already checked in online. Oh, that might make a difference. I already had an assigned seat.
We'll go to the store there, we'll buy sleeping for you.
Yeah. No?
Yeah. No.
I think you should do that because it's
Be.
difficult to scoop.
Ay, no, it's not difficult.
No? Oh.
Eh. How many kay?
5.
Uli sa 3 lang. Kay gabi na.
5 scoops?
You can't sleep. Takto na. Nay, count your ice cream dahil. Tilawd ako. I think this one is good ice cream. Ano?
Ba?
Dumaan kami sa Robinson kasi sa akin bumili ng beer. Bili na kami ng slipper niya. Sa akin, bili kami ng chinilas niya kay every time bilhan ko siya ng chinilas, dalhon man niya. Dalhin niya kami sa Tamiya Outlets. May guest din ito. Sana hindi pa close yung Riva na mga slipper dito. Fast Pop is the planet. No, it was here but it was closed. Yeah, there. Maybe here, kaya planet. Man dito eh. Doon na lang kami sa pen shop sa may Gasano magbili. Ah, dito may slipper din. Tingin tayo dito.
It's 950.
Kabili na kami ng chinilas. Uwi na kami. Dito lang kami sa Tamiya Outlet.
We
Bumili tayo.
succeeded.
Yeah, they're cheap though. So,
7 lakhs.
mura na siya. So, hindi na kami pumunta doon sa pen shop. Sa pen shop kasi binili namin this time.
You didn't know this store, right?
No, I don't know. I hardly come to the outlet in the store because I thought they were expensive.
These are all outlets.
Yeah. Uwi na kami, mag-close na rin sila. Bili na kami ng slipper by 1 take 1 kay Saki at para sa akin. Now we go home now. So we take shower and we sleep. Uwi na kami, nakabili na. Ayan si Saki. Every time magbili ako ng chinela sa kanya. Last time binilhan ko siya. Dadalhin niya sa Netherlands kasi sabi niya wala mang magsuot dito, dalhin niya. So every time magpunta siya dito, bili ako ng chinelas. This time niya ako bumili. Akala ko magdala siya. Kasi dinala niya na lahat doon. Pati damit niya. Tingin-tingin siya. Dito isok mo eh. Kumain kami ni Tatiana dyan. Ay masarap siya. Na pumpkin now. We're walking in Tamiya again. Back in Tamiya. Last month, January, dito din siya. Ngayon, dito naman siya. Linis ko yung chinilas ni. I clean your slipper, Manggani.
Slipper mania. We went on a slipper shopping spree.
Yeah. Just leave it.
Right there.
Linis ko, lagyan ko alcohol sa Marty man yan. Oh, your slipper, you can wear this one. It's clean already.
Thank you.
Kyrie eating ice cream. Bottles.
And he's not sharing.
Lami, Kay? Huh?
I thought you would be sharing.
There's a lot
There's
Yeah,
in the freeze.
yeah, that's true.
There's
more
not
than
in
enough.
the place. Very nice sofa. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.
In the Philippines.
Yeah.
I mean, the first day of this holiday.
Yan o si Kyrie. Kai! Anong ginagawa mo, Kai?
Washing dish.
No, siya na nagugas sa plato, day. Day, kuya, ba ni bata, day? Nagugas siya sa plato. Ang kutsara. Wala ka, very good ba? Oh, siya. Niyang plato? Mana? Oh, very good. Oh, pagtrapos ka mo. Darang trapo. Trapo. Wow, very good ng bata. Oy.